Hey everyone, just wanted to share our Q3 digital experience quarterly plan and OKRs. So what we're going to get up to, effectively, you can see this as kind of two big bodies of work. Usually our teams work together, our engineering team, our design team, and we work iteratively through 2 week sprints. Because we're going to be delivering the CMS for the marketing site, it's a highly technical task. We're going to take this quarter to split off. So we're going to have a real technical engineering focused initiative, and then some more like UX research, user experience design work. So you can see that broken down into our 4 objectives here. First objective is increasing traffic to the marketing site. We've worked on this for the last 2 quarters, have seen amazing results. We're up 12.5% year over year for Q2 for sessions. So great cross-functional group, great results. We'll keep that moving. Users goal is 9% increase, sessions 5% year over year. This is going to merge into another body of work where we're working on a unified to through in funnel metrics. So that's in flight, in operation, no change, just going to keep it moving forward. Number 2, improve mobile site performance. So again, we've been working on this for a while, seeing some good results. We're going to put some more effort into it, specifically some LCP and CLS issues, and decreasing page load time. This will sort of be a sub-deliverable of number 3, which I mentioned is integrating the CMS. We're going to focus on the globalized marketing site pages, because that not only is it going to enable all of GitLab to be able to create content faster at a higher velocity with more consistency, it's going to unlock us now that we don't have one site, we have 5 or 6, however many languages we're localizing to. So we're going to deliver that CMS. We've got some onboarding and training planned in the roadmap I'll show you in a minute. And by rebuilding these templates into the CMS, we'll be addressing the mobile performance. And of course, when we address the mobile performance, that's going to knock onto the desktop too. So we're going to have a nice flow here. So that's on the technical side. On the UX side, optimizing the marketing site as a channel for free trial signups. We've really been focusing on free trial signups. It's proving to drive the business. Some key results: we want to map the ideal customer journey. That's going to focus on commercial users and enterprise users. We're going to have 2 different teams, so that one team is focusing on that one segment, the other is focusing on the enterprise segment. And then we want to deliver a experience blueprint. So with the CMS, we're going to be able to create content faster on our own. Everyone's going to be enabled, and we're going to have a bit of a playbook of this is how you best create it for each segment. Finally, we've got a couple that we're going to support. So piloting one new customer growth initiative. This is primarily led by growth and lifecycle marketing, but we'll provide some design assistance. So some new growth messaging and collateral, some in-trial communication optimizations, and then continuing to support the events team. So aligning on what are the required processes, what kind of software do we need for that, and then events will be one of the first groups of pages that we will CMSify, if that's a word. It's not. But we'll enable them to be able to create content faster. So we're really excited about that. So when we break about this plan, when we break this out, I can show you, we'll think of that UX work as moments that matter. We really want to identify, 1 to 3 moments that really matter to a prospective customer, a prospective commercial customer, and a prospective enterprise customer. Where's that friction? What are those moments where they decide, yes, I'm going to sign up for a free trial, or yes, I'm going to become a premium or ultimate user? So starting with some user research, defining the problem, creating the journey mapping, we're going to have some prototyping. So the first month, August, is really about going wide, observing, orienting, collecting information, and then starting to deliver some prototypes that we can test either using usertesting.com, some representative real users, or we can do some A/B testing. A lot of work in 1 month to key us up for September and October, where we get into prototyping. We want to get to high confidence, high risk a little bit. We want to take some big swings, but delivering things on the site, getting real feedback, actually having stuff hit customers. We don't want to just be in the lab thinking these things through. Globalization, again, like I said, this is mostly in support of CMS, so I'll bump to CMS and then come back up. So we're migrating the blog. Currently, we've been working on that for a while. It's going pretty nice. We get into defining the content models, connecting it with our current repo. Contentful is the CMS we've moved forward with. We're through procurement. We're very happy with what they're going to do for us. Start with navigation. You got to be able to click through the experience, so it's a good place to start migrating the blog. Current localized pages, start bringing that in, connecting that to the localization connector, working really closely with Daniel and the globalization team. You can see events, solutions. Like I was saying, events we're keying up first because we got so many and they're moving so quick. Solutions, customer case stories, resources. I'll add the link. You can click through this, scroll through this on your own. Phase 2 starts, that's the stakeholder training piece. So we want to make sure that we have the pages made so that we can actually provide training on real content, and anything that the blog content SEO team or the events team, any changes you want to make, we can actually train you on the real content. So not only are we training, we're making progress as well together. And then phase 3 is where we get into specific integrations and new things. So really excited about that. So globalization, you can see we're going to deliver the solutions pages in the way that we have been doing it, which is very high touch, very involved. Then everyone's going to swarm back over to the CMS to deliver that, and then we'll come back to work on the continuous localization. So it's a great plan. First time in a long time we've kind of worked in 2 streams, but come Q4, we're going to come back and continue to work, and everybody's going to be unlocked. So really excited. Any questions, anything you want to chat about, please set up a coffee chat with anyone on our team. We're looking forward to getting this done. Thanks.